Today we will be doing the walking tour of St. Moritz. St. Moritz is a beautiful Swiss mountain town surrounded by magnificent alpine peaks. It's more popular for ski experience in winters. The city is one of the most popular destinations of the rich and famous to escape city life. The town is a celebrity hotspot and the world's rich and famous do visit the city for relaxation. The St. Moritz Lake gets frozen during the winters and it's famous for ice hockey and ice skating. In winters, we can walk on the lake without slipping. अभी हम यहाँ से सेंट मॉरिट्स के ब्यूटीफुल स्ट्रीट्स की ओर चलते हैं जहाँ सारे बिग ब्रांड्स के शोरूम दिखेंगे। रिच एंड फेमस सेलिब्रिटीज़ की सभी पसंदीदा ब्रांड्स जैसे कि लुई विटन, अरमानी, डियोर, प्राडा, सब ब्रांड्स यहाँ अवेलेबल है। और जिसे शॉपिंग नहीं करनी है वो विंडो शॉपिंग का मजा ले सकता है। It's the most expensive tourist destination in the Swiss Alps, but if you earn a local salary, you won't feel it too much. Here, the hotels and restaurants and property prices are very costly. Now we are feeling little hungry. It's time to return back to hotel for dinner and have a good night's sleep. And tomorrow we are having a big day as we will be traveling to Zermatt by luxurious train, the Glacier Express. Bye for now. See you in our next video.